Hi there, students. Sketchy. Okay, yesterday I made a video about the word dodgy in English, which means dishonest or disreputable. But apparently the Americans use the word sketchy with the same meaning as this word dodgy. Now, in British English, I don't think we would use the word sketchy in the same way. In British English, sketchy means not detailed, missing small details. So a sketch is a rough drawing, a quick drawing, the outlines but little detail, not very much detail. You could have a comic sketch as well, which just outlines a situation, but doesn't necessarily give all the details. So in British English, if something is sketchy, it's incomplete. It doesn't have all the details. There are details missing. So, for example, the information available is very sketchy. It's not very detailed. Yeah? I wouldn't use that to mean it's dishonest or disreputable or unreliable. It's just there are big holes in it. My knowledge of Russian is very sketchy. I only know one or two little outlines, but I don't know much about the details. So something that is sketchy, it's incomplete, imperfect, because it lacks the fine points, the fine details, the focus of something. So his English is very good, but his understanding of the grammar is a bit sketchy. Yeah, he needs to study it to understand more detail to it. Okay, it's rather superficial. Okay, so in British English we use this word sketchy, meaning with holes in it. Like a quick drawing but no more, an outline but without much detail. Now, what about the formality of this word sketchy? I would say sketchy is neutral. I think you could definitely use it in an informal conversation, and I think you could use sketchy in a formal document as well. So something nice and flexible. Sketchy, remember, is an adjective, yeah? So, the Americans use sketchy to mean dodgy, disreputable, unreliable. I saw in the dictionary the phrase, a sketchy neighbourhood. In American English it means a dodgy neighbourhood, but to me in British English a sketchy neighbourhood means there are only a few bits constructed. Yeah, there are a few houses and there's one shop, and there are big spaces in the middle which still have to be built or filled in. But we use sketchy particularly for information, for knowledge, for understanding. A plan can be very sketchy. It doesn't give a lot of details. So, there you go, sketchy, from the verb to sketch, or the noun a sketch. Just a quick outline, but no detail. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Sketchy. I hope my explanation was not sketchy.